Hello everyone, this is Mamta Sharma. This is my first session on the topic financial management. Under this, we will discuss regarding the concept and nature of financial management. The term financial management, it refers to an efficient and effective utilization of available financial resources in such a way so that it ensures the adequate availability of the funds or money as and when required. It will ensure the smooth functioning of all the activities and timely accomplishment of the desired business goals. So here we have two important terms, that is efficiency and effectiveness. These two terms are the essential or very important pillars for the successful management. Now what does these two terms means? Efficiency means optimum utilization of financial resources that will result in minimum wastage, whereas effectiveness means timely implementation of business decisions. Both these will assist in getting the success for a business concern. Now let's discuss regarding the nature of financial management. Under this, I will discuss all the characteristics that are associated or the part of the financial management. Let's start with efficient and effective utilization of financial resources. This is one of the most important or basic characteristics of financial management, as it ensures the implementation of right decision at right time with optimum utilization of the available resources. As we know that resources are always limited, but wants or demands are unlimited. And these unlimited demands and wants can be met only by making right or optimum use of limited resources with low or no wastage. The second point is ensuring smooth functioning. It means that there should be no delay and no disturbance in any functioning or activity of the business concern. The next is availability of adequate financial resources. Here the term adequate means the availability of sufficient resources. It means neither in excess nor in shortage. Because excess availability of financial resources may result into overcapitalization, whereas shortage of financial resources may result into undercapitalization. And both these situations are not good for the business concern. In the coming session, I will discuss in detail about the overcapitalization and undercapitalization. Now the next characteristics is maximizing profitability. This is also very important nature or very important point under this, as earning profit is the basic aim or purpose of every business concern. Every businessman wants to increase their profits. Now let us understand that how the financial management will help in or will lead to maximizing profitability of a business concern. Now, as efficient and effective management of financial resources helps in building the sound financial position, and a business or a company that having a sound financial position, having the ability to install, have the ability to install the updated or latest technology. Now with the help of use of latest technology or installation of latest technology, it will ensures the efficiency in production process, means helps in minimizing the wastage and maximizing the output. That will helps in reducing the cost in production and improving the quality of the product. Now, when the good quality of product is available in the market at a reasonable price, that can be easily afforded by everyone or a general public, it will result in increasing the sales volume that will ultimately leads to increase in the profits of the concern. So in this way, the financial management leads to the profit maximization. I hope with this you get clarity of this, that how the financial management helps in profit maximization. Now, the next, last in this but not the least, timely accomplishment of business goal. In order to successfully run on the track of the business, it is essential to achieve the business goals within the fixed time. Otherwise, being a businessman, you may lose the opportunity or can be easily get defeated by the competitors. That may result into losing the market share, goodwill, and reputation. So, in order to take the competitive advantage, being a businessman, you should be proactive. Proactive means well planned in advance. So, by making the good use of the available financial resources, making the appropriate use of financial resources, making the efficient and effective utilization of financial resources, this all can be achieved. Thank you.